Nouns and the types. In this video, we will be exploring the fascinating world of nouns and the types. Nouns are the building blocks of language, and they help us express people, places, things, and ideas. Definition and examples of nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, things, or idea. Examples of people nouns: John, teacher, mother. Examples of place noun: park, city, school. Examples of things nouns: car, book, table. Examples of idea nouns: love, freedom, happiness. Types of nouns. Number 1. Common nouns. Common nouns are general names for people, places, things, or ideas. For examples: actor, city, books, love, and so on. Number 2. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, or things. They always start with a capital letter. For examples such as Michael, Paris, iPhones, and so on. Number 3. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are things that can be experienced through the senses. Examples are tree, cake, music, and so on. Number 4. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are ideas, feelings, or qualities that cannot be touched. Examples include happiness, freedom, justice, love, and so on. Number 5. Collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a group of people, animals, or things. Examples are team, herd, family. This concludes our video on nouns and the types. We have learned that nouns are essential in language, and they help us express people, places, things, and ideas. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.